CCTV.
Manus nam daki lakbon ki bakwa penpenda ke MBBS Henry Kindiat e ki bapas ke admission kalapli ha Emmanuel Coaching Academy epi join menta pinyo e ki kot bat ki e-materials kin don ru ki mock test ban pen kraya pi na kabenda ka NEET.
Hakapor bagi hek gihan kita ngai lenti pendik cakap Kylleng jangka North Eastern Council kebalong mentah kesengi State Convention Center. Kita khot jang khasi Students Union kelara plakat pen pau ling bagi plakat syaki hek gihan ya ki babon ki jing dawa nak sarkar pedeng kum ka ILP pat ki pat kiman. Kani ke jing ra plakat ka ki SU kelas dang Naduh Umiam ter Shillong ba Shillong kum hajan Civil Hospital Hapulu pada ki pat ki jaka. Kuman penken mau pemerintah kasni ka don ka Kylleng jong ka NEC ka baru ki menteri rangba bat kilat jong ki jela ka than chatai lamingi ki syong Kylleng perkat kam haringkat ka jing don lang menteri ka tanat ka kampo yeng ka sarkar pedeng Amit Shah ubrang don mentah Shillong.
Give us the best reason what we want to express just the idea of what we are coming to. No permission. Yes, tell me. Give me permission. Did you take permission for the protest?
Why the protest?
Yeah, that's what. Did you take? No. That's what I'm telling you. Please don't obstruct. We are doing duty here. No, this is not the way. Please.
No, we'll do it. When, stop. Okay, put in front, we will let all see.
Yeah. Please remove.
I'll come. Yeah.
Get it removed. Please. Take it. No. Now you do it. If you don't know, then we have to. Yeah, please. See, I cannot wait so long. Please.
We'll remove, sir.
Remove. Now.
We just want to express our view. That's all, sir. It's not that we will create a problem. It's just a peaceful protest.
Hello.
Yes.
या हाँ इस तरफ में आ जाओ तो ये थोड़ा फोर्स लेके आ जाओ वहाँ पे ये प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं अभी वो आपका प्रोटेस्ट कर रहा है yes you
Pidan dukan marbam ndai compare la ka barid ka pidi harut surok ni ka bahe kum ki restaurant bat ki wei ni pishat roti shat kiek bat ki wei na ka benta ka koi ka khya chongi pat ba nong bam nong di pat ba phinyo ka jing shania naki pidan kam bandon de ka license ka papaka ka bala ithu da ka an kata ka Food Safety and Standards Act arachar henriu link ba ka section lai phoi iwe kam de ka ba e ba phinyo e ka license phila ban apply ko online link ba ko website foscus.fssai.gov.in da ka ba pi hap pan upload ru te ki kot kisla badan kam kat kum ka jajing kam jong phi phila ru banyak kendo ye ki designated officers lani food safety officers ke badan ha ka office terekam jong u lani ka district medical and health officer habaro ki district ke badan ha megalaya lat no tang ha is khasi hers phila ban let bet cha ka office terekam jongki ka commissionerate of food safety ke badan halowa la chumya naka benta ka kot ka khya ki nong bam nong di lawan ra shapi daga commissionerate of food safety government of Meghalaya bat bala kirshan daga food safety and standards authority of India.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks. We help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on Mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.